Hello students, today I will discuss about trigonometry. I will try to find out sine 30 degrees value and sine 60 degrees value. How we can find out sine 30 degree and sine 60 degree values, and through this I will try to find out sine 90 degree and then sine 45 degree, which is very easy. So let's start. First I take a isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal. These are AB and AC, and then I take a perpendicular on the base side BD. So you know that for an isosceles triangle, triangle ABC, if AD perpendicular to BC, then BD must be equal to CD. It means that these two sides are equal. Now, since AD perpendicular to BC, this side must be 90 degree. Here, if we take the two equal sides are A and another side B, so this must be, this is B, then this must be BD, B by 2. If I take not isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, it will be very easy to find out. Equilateral triangle, I am taking this side also A, then this must be A by 2, and if this is true, that A and this is A by 2, then this side must be 60 degree, this side must be 30 degree. So what we have to know, for equilateral triangle this is also true. So here sine 30 degree is equal to BD perpendicular by hypotenuse, height by hypotenuse, for triangle ABD. Triangle ABD sine 30 degree is equal to, with respect to this angle, this is the BD is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So this will be A by 2 by A, or 1 by 2. So we are getting sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Now for sine 60 degree, which is AD by BD, AB. So here we do not know what is the value of AD. We can deduce in this way, and by Pythagorean theorem, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Here we know AB square AD square plus BD square. So AD is equal to root over AB square minus BD square. So AB is, we have taken A square, and BD is A by 2, means A square by 4. So after subtraction we will get 4a square minus a square equal to root over 3a square by 4, which is a by 2 root 3. So if we put these values, this will be root 3 by 2a, and AB is a. So sine 60 degree value is root 3 by 2. So this is our required result. Sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. In this way we can find out sine (45 degree). Now I am again trying to find out sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is equal to, how we can find out sine 45 degree. Before it, I find out sine 90 degree. Sine 90 degree is equal to So let's start by a right triangle. This angle is 90 degree and these are 45 degrees. Means these two sides are equal. These are ABC. So AB is equal to AC. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. Now 45 degree. If we take the sides are A, then sin 45 degree is equal to, with respect to any angle in this side, we will get the height AB and the hypotenuse AC. Now AB is equal to A and AC is equal to, by Pythagorean theorem again, A square plus A square. This will be A by over 2 A square. This will be A by A root 2. We will get 1 by root 2. After denominator's third reduction, we will get, this will be 2 by root 2. So this is the value of degree. And for sin 90 degree or sin 0 degree, we have to imagine that if we try to find out sin 0 degree, then the height and base are equal and hypotenuse becomes 0. This, we have to take a rotation of 90 degrees for this height to reach the base. Then the height and base are equal. We have to take a 90 degree rotation, and there is no existence of this hypotenuse. Or if we try to think in this with respect to this angle, if we try to take it to try to reach it to 0 degree, then this height actually will decrease to this point B. It will no longer, when it becomes 0, then the height becomes also 0. So sin 0 degree will be AB by AC. As the angle becomes 0, the height becomes 0. So this will be 0 by AC or 0. And if we try to reach in this way, we try to reach in this way to make it 90 degree. Then the hypotenuse reaches at this point, and it will be equal to the height. When the this 45 degree will become 90 degree, the hypotenuse becomes equal to this height. So hypotenuse and height becomes equal. So 90 degrees, sin 90 degrees, we will get AB is equal to AC. And we will get here sin 90 degrees is equal to AB by AC is equal to 1.